I got a gift from a friend of mine from Connecticut. He has a YouTube channel, but he doesn't do videos, but he watches our videos, so that's really good. And I'll be opening this box with my Mora Robust from Deon O. Check out this beauty. I know last time I didn't show how he used the sheath, the plastic sheath inside here, to make this one-of-a-kind sheath for me. Thank you, Deon O. So let's do this. This box came from Jose Ortiz. He has a YouTube channel, but he doesn't do any videos. But that's okay. He supports our channels by watching our videos. Wow. Check this out. Little water pouch. A nice lanyard. I like this spiral design. It's very beautiful. A little strap. Very nice. I have big strap, but this is to carry on with you. Oh yeah. Alright, this is very nice strap. Some very nice fat wood. Check it out. It's nice and dense. I know he mentioned about a little Swiss Army knife. That's all I was expecting, but obviously he sent a lot more stuff. Check this out. Wow, brand new. I like this little, let's open this little ship's foot. Very nice. Thank you very much, Jose. A little Zippo, one of those strike anywhere matches, or not anywhere, but it has a little ferro rod right there. There you go. It needs fuel though. Very nice. Thank you very much. Another little keychain knife. I know my wife wants this already. Very nice. Oh yeah, serrated. Perfect for cutting fruit or, you know, small tasks. Thank you very much, Jose. Another Swiss Army knife. Nail file, which I need. And little blade, little small blade. Oh yeah. Another little knife, blade, and scissors, man. These are good scissors too. Wow, man. Thank you very much, Jose. Oh, a little light. There it is. Very nice. One of these button compasses. Yep. It works. Very nice. Another little button compass. And another one. Pretty good kits. Alright. Strike anywhere matches. Indeed. Strike anywhere matches. And it looks like another knife. Wow, this is pretty nice. Check this beauty out. Alright. Jimping. Check that out. Oh yeah. Buck Wit Taker. Oh, it's a little. Alright, I see what it is. This is a bottle opener too. Perfect. This is nice, man. Thank you, Jose. Maybe to cut your limes for your brewskis. Very nice. So I'll leave a link to Jose's channel, and also a shout out to Bushcrafter 1973. Check his channel out. He's having a 200 subscriber giveaway, and I'll leave a link to his channel so you can check the details. And last but not least, Carl the Madman. He's having his 366 subscriber giveaway. Check out his channel too, and enter the contest. So thank you again, Jose Ortiz, for giving me this nice stuff, and I appreciate your friendship.